I want to introduce you my lesson related to online shopping for the 8th grade. At first, teacher will check home task. I want pupils to translate the given words. Then in warming up, they will say compliments to each other. Learning objectives. Understand with little or no support the main points in extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics. Second, use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively in groups. Third, use formal and informal registers in their talk on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives are: give information about online shopping, explain the linking words, improve skills by doing the listening and speaking tasks. There are two groups, and their descriptors are: having good speaking skill, show correctly their point of view, and use linking words and plan. Our grammar topic is linking words in for and against essays. Every essay has introduction, main body, and conclusion. In this essay, we have two parts of main body. They are arguments for and arguments against. And about linking words, in introduction we use such linking words like nowadays, many people think, believe that, and so on. In arguments for, we use, on the one hand, some people think that, for this reason, and etc. In arguments against, we use, on the other hand, on the contrary, in addition, this is why, and so on. In conclusion, we use to sum up, as we can see, in my opinion, and others. So, in a for and against essay, we have 4 paragraphs, and there you can say some other useful phrases. In introduction, they will watch the video about smart shopper, and they should say their opinion related to the shopping. It's the short variant of video.
For the first time ever, online shopping officially overtook brick-and-mortar shopping in February, according to the Commerce Department. But does shopping online actually mean you're saving a buck? Renati Gregorio compares your traditional shopping cart to the one you click in today's Smart Shopper.
If ever there was a time to make a pro and con list, it's now. We know you love your online shopping, but how's it compared to shopping you actually have to put on pants for? Let's break it down. Online shopping is at your fingertips 24/7. We know the pros: convenience, any product your little heart desires, availability, especially if what you want isn't in store, time saving.
So this video is about advantages and disadvantages of online shopping. In the second part, we say about a for and against point of view, and I want pupils to say their opinions related to the photos, and these photos are about online shopping and offline shopping. The third part is find solutions to the problems, and we have 4 problems. 2 is for the one group. Then in conclusion, teacher wants pupils to conclude their speech using linking words, of course. And we revise descriptors. Then while voting, we decide who is winner. At last, teacher gave home task It's related to critical thinking. They should write a for and against essay entitled Should Teenagers Have Credit Cards? I hope that this topic is very useful for pupils. They will know also disadvantages of online shopping. So thanks for your attention. Goodbye.